In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off profile views on your profile. Remember, this is a feature in which you will be able to see who visit your profile during the last 30 days. The downside of this feature is that when you actually visit someone else's profile and they have this feature on, it will show that you visit their account, so they can actually spy on you. So let me launch the TikTok app and let me show you how you can simply manage and turn this on or off, depends on your personal preference. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile. Then you see the small footsteps on the upper right. You want to click on the footsteps, okay? Here you're gonna find the list of the people who visit my account in the last 30 days, okay? So now you're gonna go ahead and click on the gear icon in the upper right. Now you can simply turn this feature off. This is how simple it is. When you turn this off, you're not gonna see who visit your profile, and other people, if they have this feature off, when you visit their profile, it's not gonna show up that you visit their profile. It's kind of 50-50 situation, guys, but I understand for a lot of people this might be a privacy concern, so this is the reason why I made this video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.